hit by a car.
Of course. I wouldn't be asking you.
And she got an attitude with it.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
Hey y'all, it's Restore Ashton. I'm here at Dollar Tree. My cousin, she got a little puppy. You know, 'cause our dog had puppies. But our dog passed away because he got hit by a car. So, let me turn it around. So, I was just thinking, I was like, I know my husband is gonna, like, he gonna be tired of me. This is the biggest Dollar Tree in Tulsa. That's what they say. So,
One more thing to get. I'm trying to figure out which one to really pick on because I don't know. Oh, pet grooming mitt. Okay. And what is pets? I don't need that. Okay. But I do need
I'm recording.
a dog. It's okay. How y'all doing today? Looking for my baby some stuff, getting him some treats. Trying to figure out what bone I'm gonna. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna get him. I don't know. What to give him?
Oh, so you. So I didn't know that. I got this one, and this one is spring. I did not know that they had different types. That's why this is the biggest one in Tulsa. So this is tropical, and this is moonlight. I want to get them, but I'm like, I don't need them because I already got this, and I barely use it. So happily ever after. One day. I'm waiting for my cousin. Blessed. Amen. Home sweet home. Oh, see, they got so. I want to. What's that called? I want to draw with like my nephews and my niece and vanity. Yeah, anything that's like 3. That's cute. Step. Okay. What else? Crab leaf. Let's go on. Guess they got little snacks and stuff over here. I was looking for them one little ball Cheetos that I had, jalapeno Cheetos. I had some yesterday at another Dollar Tree. It was so good. Okay. Well, guess that's it. But I'm trying to figure out what my cousin went. I don't know where she went. Do I see him over here? No. Where'd she go? Dang, where'd my cousin go? I ain't trying to be ghetto and, you know, yell out her name, but where you at? Where you at? That's how you know I'm from Oklahoma. Where you at? Yeah. Where you at? There she go. There she go. Okay. I would have one of these, Mom. No, I'm good. Oh, you was gonna treat me?
Yes. Of course. I wouldn't be asking.
And she got an attitude with it.
Oh, let me see.
Shucks. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. Oh, what do I want, child? What do I want, child? What do I need? Oh, no, because I already got a full thing of that, so there wouldn't be no point in getting that. So I'm gonna get the boosters. I already got a full thing of it, so there's no point in getting it. So I just got some of these. I got these. This only got one in there. Or is it two? Yeah, it's just one. I don't know. Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
Shucks. What do I want? Why? See, I be looking at stuff in Dollar Tree like, oh, I want that. And then it's just like, somebody, oh, you want something? Everything just go blank. I don't know what I want. Hair bonnet. Bath pedals. Shucks. I would get one of these, but I'm not straight my hair. I mean, going natural for a minute.
Why would you do that?
Bathing cloth. I feel like it's gonna be hard. It's kind of hard being hard. It's kind of hard being hard. Oh, you know what I want? I want some lotion. That's what I'm gonna take. Oh, no. I need some more hair spritz. Hairspray. This. No, I don't need it. My hair isn't straightened. Dang, why she asked me this? I don't know. I do need to do one of these. Not the curved though. That's curved. Yeah, I don't need the curved. Get from the second. Face powder. They be having like cool stuff too, so. Oh, I do need some more hand sanitizer for my car. I do need some more of that. I like to get the one that's like on a hook, but I don't think I can find that one, so I guess I'll just go with this one. It's cucumber, coconut, and lime. Which one should I get, child? I think I'm gonna get cucumber and melon. No. Ooh, pomegranate. Ooh. Sorry. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this because I do need another one of these. Y'all, the search for the freaking applicator, sorry, it's over. I won't give up, but we're gonna put it to a halt until I just see it. Cause it's like I didn't look everywhere and I just cannot find them. So yeah, it's all good though. But we still looking, but we ain't gonna just be checking for it. You know what I'm saying? So okay. Where my cousin at? Now I'm ready. Now I'm ready to go. Now I'm ready to go. She's shopping just like me too. I bet she is. I don't want to be ghetto, you know, and help people name out loud. Oh, there she goes. Oh, matter of fact, let me get. I wonder how long this lasts, but I don't want. I think I got. Didn't I get 2? I think I had. No, I think I had that one. I want to try something else different than lavender, because you know, like, I love to be calm and stuff. Like, oh, they got a waterfall. Shoot, no. Get off the ground. Get off the ground. You embarrassing me. I'm just kidding. Oh, no, it's not. This is what I got. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. This waterfall one. I wonder how long it lasts. Probably 15 days too. It's all good. We just trying it out anyway, so this is all I want. This is all I want. These are good. I can't eat spicy, but those are good. Matter of fact, no, I ain't gonna break my cousin like that. Cause I would. Ooh, berry blast. Okay, I'm gonna get this one instead, cause I think the other one was kind of hard to find. Shucks. Hold on. I'm always dropping something. It don't even matter. I just take I ain't gonna break her like this. But she said, "Do I want something?" So we finna get it. We finna get it. Matter of fact, you always get from the back or something like that. Make sure something in there. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna get this, and then we done. I'm gonna ask her if it's too much, because I can get so much. No, I'll put it back, but I'm gonna ask her if it's too much though, because I ain't trying to break her. Okay, let's see what she at.
I think they're all over the video.
There you go.
There you go. I was wondering, yeah. My phone is dead. She must be still recording.
Is this too much?
No, go ahead, put it in. I got the same stuff. That's crazy. We both got the same.
This?
Yep. I was like, ooh, that smells good. Yeah, it's right here. Go ahead. Yeah, I got it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Sure. Anything for Vanity, maybe?
Vanity needs something. Is this the pacifier? I'll just get her this. Yeah, I'll just get her this.
Anything over here you or Vanity may need?
Oh, I didn't even see this section. Oh, yes, I did.
Oh, she might like that. Get that for her. She might like that. Here's some earrings you might, I don't know.
Earrings. I need one of these. So I can just be knocked out. Ingrown.
Oh, look at that. They got everything in here.
Yeah.
We gotta start coming to this one, Ashton. I don't give a fuck. Menstrual heat patch. Then they got facial serum beads. But not, how you say that word?
Oh, you put that on your face?
Yep. Get
Did you get it?
Yeah. You know I'm cramping right now. And these are what I use too, but I use the one. Do y'all need these in the... I don't see the other
Yeah,
one.
basic
One.
white.
Yeah.
No, she should
Here they
be
go.
good.
These are the ones. Well, they're like that, but I don't see them. That's crazy. Here's some other ones.
Oh, wait.
And this stuff is good for body oil. Oh, I know that smells good. I know this body oil smells good. I bet you that smells good.
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, you do? Mm-hmm. Aloe vera cream face wipes.
Oh, wait. I'll do one more thing. One more thing. While I'm here. Remember, get from the bait. Get from the bait. Might as well get it. Since I'm getting treated. Stop doing.
Oh, you got 18 bags. Oh, yeah, there's 50 of them.
Oh, I didn't know that they had this.
There it goes, my home. This stuff smells so dang good. I love this stuff.
What is it?
Body wash. And there's another one.
And it smells good, you said? What
It's
does it smell like?
girl. It just, I can't, it just,
You just like the smell?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. And that one smell good too?
I haven't had this one.
Oh, you just, okay, okay.
This stuff smells good though. I have this at home. The shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, it does?
The mango
Oh, I
one.
heard about
The mango
these,
one is
yeah.
good. And I'm telling you, lavender's so good. I haven't had the honey lavender though yet. And this one smells good too. I've used this one in the past. Not the was it Simply Fresh or was it this one? It's clear water and it's Simply Fresh. Pretty much done. You got everything you need?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Ooh. Since we falling on a budget and it's alcohol free. Yeah, that. Let me get this. Always dropping some stuff. Oh, excuse me, sorry. This alcohol free. I got new shoes on. Oh, that's hand wash.
You said you needed some cotton balls? You still need it? Cotton balls?
I do actually need some, yeah.
Oh, look, they got a heated eyelash curler.
I know I seen that.
You need one or no?
Uh-uh.
I wonder if it really works.
You don't wear lashes, do you?
Nah, that's Harmony thing. That's her thing.
Oh, she wear lashes?
Yeah, she's a lash queen. Yeah. Mother Earth, thank you. I like that.
That is cute.
When you gonna let Benny start wearing stuff like this?
Maybe like 5.
Yeah, I was thinking so too. Those ugly. I'm sorry.
No.
They is.
Sorry. I'm gonna have to. That's what I need dancing. I got new shoes on. I had these with the little lids was breaking off. These right here though. And if I was still eating sweets, these right here. I had some of these. These are good. Honey habanero roasted chips. Just a little. This is when I say I want a little snacky snack. This is what I mean. Rolling down like that. You can see in my eyes that I'm looking for a cutie pie. We gotta make love. We can just cuddle. But if she want me to beat it up, I gotta use the ladies' room like really, really bad. But I'm keeping it together. I had some corn nuts the other day. Oh, hold on, it's too much. I got too much footage.